Okay, so we're ready to apply the tempered glass on the iPad. So what you want to do is you want to align the glass with the home button on the iPad when you place this down. So that way you could use this as a guide to lay the screen or the screen protector down on the iPad. So that will use as the guide when we put this on. And as you can see from this particular screen protector, there's no hole on the top for the camera. So this is just one flat glass with the home button hole on the glass. So you want to do a test run to make sure that this is how you're going to place the glass. So based on what I can see, this is the right screen protector based on the size and the fit. So when you apply this, like I said, what you want to do is you want to align the bottom home button with the home button exposed, and then making sure that the edges all line up, and then you can let that go, and that will surely create a nice fit for you. Okay, so once we have the test run and we're pretty satisfied with how it's going to come out, then we are ready to put on the tempered glass